Welcome to Gann forecasting method. In this video, we shall be checking out how we can create a Gann square of 9 calculator. So in the last module, we have seen that if you are given a number, let's say 5152, which is, let's say current stock is trading at 5152, and we calculated the Gann square of 9, the support and resistance based on Gann square of 9 using the concept of Gann angle. But we do not want to do the same mathematics again and again. Is there any way to visualize it? Now, so far we have seen Gann square of 9 follow few interesting rules. The first rule is the square of an odd number, like 1, this line, always for 1, 9, 24, 49, 81, always falls in an ordinal cross. And 45-degree rotation from any number that is from ordinal cross or cardinal cross will again land in a number that is in ordinal cross or cardinal cross. Now we have to follow few rules. The first 9 values will deviate each other by 45 degrees. Right? See, in the first 9 value, the LTP can 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So the first 9 values means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. They all deviate from each other by 45 degrees. So the last traded price cannot be between the first levels, because all the first two levels either lie in cardinal cross or either lie in ordinal cross. So if we tell you a number like 2, what is the support and resistance? You will tell 3 and 1. So it does not make any sense. It has to be in the third line. It has to be in the third base. So we have to create a grid of minimum 3 into 3 where our number will lie in the outer ring. So it will be easier to visualize. So now to get the apex value, the center value from the LTP, we need to rotate the Gann wheel by minimum 720 degrees, right? So let's say our 5152 lies here, and we can easily visualize our support and resistance. Our apex value, which is 1, it has to be minimum 720 degrees. Like 360 degree will go to here and 360 degree will go to here. So getting the apex value, square root of 5152 is 71 blah 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 this. So if we are about to rotate 720 degrees, if you remember for 360 degree we are rotating 2. So for 720 degree we will be rotating 4. We will subtract 4. Now we are getting 67 point this. If we round it up, we will get 68, and the square root of 68 is 4624. Now see how it came. 4624. Forget the other numbers, only focus on this part. I'll show how we calculate the other numbers. You can also calculate it if you remember the property. See, we have only filled up the cardinal crosses and the ordinal crosses. So if you know the property of cardinal cross and ordinal cross, if this is 1, this is 2, 3, then this and the difference between these two numbers is 45 degrees. The difference between these two numbers is 45 degrees. So you have to get the pivot points by moving 45 degrees like this. That is very easy to do. Let's generate the squares by rotating 45 degrees. So let's add 0.28 to 68. So this is 68 square. So this is 68.25 square. This is 68.5 square. This is 68.75 square. Like this, we are filling up all the cardinal and ordinal crosses. Now place 5152. You can easily see 5142 is the support and 5184 is the resistance. Not only we have the solution, but we have an easy way to visualize Gann square of 9 here. So far you have learned how to create Gann square of 9 of size 3 by changing the Gann square of 9 calculator of size 3 by changing the apex value. Now see, you can also make it by size 4. In that case, you need to do more calculation and 8 more pivot points. It will look more better and more geeky, but it does not make any sense to do that. You can also make it for Gann square of 9 with a size 6, then again more 8 pivot points. And let's say if you are doing for square of 9 with a size 4, so in that case 8 pivot points are there, and you need to rotate it in that case 360 into 3, 1080 degree, and you have to subtract 68 this by 6. Okay, and then again you have to do 0.25, 0.25, 0.25 increment like that, and you have to fill it again all up, and that's how you will get that calculator. Again, it does not make any sense. It will look more geeky but useless. So this is the same thing I created in this Google Sheet here. I have done one more level here. I know it looks geeky. That's all. See, I created the ordinal numbers and cardinal numbers, but let me show you. See how it is showing. It is coming beautifully here. Let's say Nifty is trading around 15,000. In that case, our support is this and our resistance is this. As simple as that. This is the same square of 9 which I demonstrated here. Anyways, I'll show you in the Google Sheet how to do in the Google Sheet proper with the proper formulations and stuff in the later part when we engage in the workshop.